Now, good morning, my fellow farmers and my Banga farmers, or whatever farming you are. So, just like I've been telling you, if you watch the first video, I won't harvest. This is a time for harvest. The weapon of our warfare are not carnal, carnal weapon. So, I'm starting my harvest from here. I will start from here like this. They go up. Understand? From here like this, they go up. I cannot start from there, they come down. I start from here and be going because I don't see, get one banga, I don't see for that place. We don't ripe. So, I go first of all, harvest and keep. I know I never get farmers, I never get workers, but with time, I'll be needing workers. So for now, I will just harvest and keep. Maybe later, I'll come and make sure that I pack them. And I know that, please, if you are a farmer, if you are a banga farmer, make sure say as you cut and keep, try get people on standby. We will help you pack them, because if you cut and keep, they no pack them as earlier before you waka, go or go rest, come back. If you don't carry your this thing, and make sure say you keep record of everything you do. So please, if you are a farmer, just be careful of that. So I want to start my harvesting from here. I want to start the harvest from here. So stay with me on this video. Yeah, if you find my videos informative, educative, and above all, what engaging, do me well. For inside this small place now, I think I have up to like three, I'll be 4. We don't ripe. So we'll run out. Another thing you need to understand is make you try to make way so that in case you harvest your banga when it fall, when they won't pack the seed, you know, can't they suffer them. You understand? You see, that is why it's important to do what? Maybe they wear your shoe. Because this shoe I wear so now, if it's not like I wear another shoe, I don't go fit enter this shoe, I go to think. But now I don't wear my safety shoe like this. I feel enter anywhere, I feel enter. No wahala. See am. So don't ripe.